Hey everyone, it's Tattoo. So I'm waiting for Ralph and Em. We're gonna head to Sari-Sari. If you've never been there before, it's a Filipino restaurant. They have a little a supermarket there. They also have a bakery. Yeah, so we're waiting for them. Growing up, I never had it. I had a lot of friends that were Filipino, and their parents always thought that I was Filipino, but I was denying it. But yeah, I'm excited to go. The food's really good. Our buddy Adrian and his wife are in charge there. You know, he's been their family for a long time. They're opening a new one. I forgot where, like in Stone Oak or Heber. I don't know, somewhere up north. I don't venture that far. It's too far for me. I live in the south side. But anyway, the food's delicious. My favorite is they have like a beef stick, I think that's called, but it's like grilled and I don't know, it's just good. And then they always have like, I'm gonna let my hand down. I'm all tired. But yeah, so they have all this kind of like really good food. If you've never been, they're real cool because they'll walk you through it, and that's what I liked. If I don't know something, I'll ask 1,000 questions, and if I feel that they're annoyed, I'll just leave because I'm kind of like, oh, I guess you know, I'm not wanted here. But man, they make you feel really good there. Like I go and I'm like, dude, I don't know what anything is, and they'll tell like, oh, it's like this kind of sauce, tastes like this, you know. And then I have it, I'm like, man, that was good. So we're excited. Emily's always excited to go there, but you know, venturing out, it's the only way you're going to expand your palate, expand your experience, right? And also, for me, like, I want to show my sons and my grandbaby, you know, that there's more to life than just, you know, all Tex-Mex food. Nothing wrong with that, but I want them to have an open mind to everything, you know? And anyway, so we're waiting, and I'll try to shoot inside. I know it's a little dim in the restaurant, so don't kill me for the quality of the, not the quality, but the lighting of the place. All right, so let's go, and it's get a couple of pounds in us. Bye.
The kawali lechon.
Kawali lechon.
Yeah.
And it's pork belly, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Is it fried?
Yes.
It's crispy. It's delicious.
Tiger beer, my favorite.
What are the sauces?
There's Ralphie. There's Emily. Cold, look at her with a beanie
Your
and a
beef
jacket.
sticks, your pork sticks are coming.
Pork barbecue?
Oh yeah. Pork barbecue. What is that? That's delicious. What are you doing?
I need a business.
And then Ralph over there, he eats like George Costanza. He cuts his Snickers, cuts his Snickers in half.
Throw it in the middle.
And then let me get.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And but you're good right here, just your orders, sir, right? You're good? Okay.
That's Emily's noodles. The lumpia over there. It's kind of like a flauta, right? It's pork with chicken.
Yeah.
But they're so crispy and
How crispy? Take a bite. Let me see.
Hold on. Oh yeah. It's so good. Oh, look at that. That's not hair, that's onion. So I know people out there are like, that's hair. Look at that. Crispy, juicy.
Oh yeah.
This is a sauce. It's like a vinegar sauce, but it's
Yeah.
like sweet. I don't know.
Yeah, it cuts the fat. Take a bite of the skin though. You just took a bite of the meat.
That's for more. That's good.
Be careful with this, it's very hot.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't touch it.
That's fine. No.
Here we go. And then this one.
Thank
you.
you.
Right?
Yes, yes. Thank you so much.
Jesus.
I'm done. I'm full already.
You're what?
I'm full already.
Wait.
Whoa.